Sunday marks 2 years since the first case of COVID-19 was confirmed in Oklahoma.
We're now getting a better idea of how many people have been infected with the virus in our state. News on 6's Jonathan Cooper has details on a new study.
This study is by the CDC and looks at antibody data from across the country. They estimate that 45.7% of people in Oklahoma have had COVID-19 at some point over the past 2 years. The study looked at antibody testing from private labs across the country, and researchers specifically only looked for anti-nucleocapsid proteins. This antibody is only produced by the body after an infection with the virus, and it is not present in the blood of people who got the vaccine but never had COVID. Based on this data, they estimate that 43% of all Americans have been infected at some point. And in Oklahoma, about 1.8 million people have had it, which is much higher than confirmed positives released by the health department. OU's Chief COVID Officer, Dr. Dale Brassler, says the data could provide answers about immunity.
We know having the infection does give you some natural immunity. And so that may account for the fairly rapid decline in cases that we've saw since the Omicron surge, which infected so many people in our state and across the country.
The study estimates 140 million Americans have had COVID, which is almost double reported cases. Jonathan Cooper, Oklahoma's own News on 6.